Deeks here with RDC Fine Homes on a beautiful Monday morning here in Whistler, British Columbia. We are just starting to lift our first wall for our latest panelization project. This is targeted to be a BC Energy Step Code 4 home, 1,750 square foot single family residence here. We panelized the walls, the floors, and the roof in our shop down in Junction. And here we go. First wall coming up and slowly going into place. The guys are going to be here for the next 2.5 days. We will come back this afternoon and see how they've done. Hopefully we will see the first floor walls and the first floor package in place, ready for second story tomorrow. Hey there, Bob Deeks from RDC Fine Homes. Here in the afternoon of our first day as we complex this new home in Emerald Estates in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. Shout out to Black Tusk Cranes for doing all the heavy lifting here. They are a great partner for us, and they do all our crane work. As you can see, the boys are just starting to lay out the main beams for the floor system. A few of the floor joists are already down. Goal for the end of the day today will be to get all the floor joists down and just get the sheeting started at this end. So that they can start assembling some walls tomorrow morning. Shout out to our key product partners on this project, BASF for the HP Plus XR wall system, using Neopor for our exterior insulation and their wall-tight insulation on the interior of the walls. Euroline Windows with their triple glazed 4700 series passive house windows. That really helps improve the overall performance of this project. And of course, Airtight Solutions with the Aero Barrier air tightness system, who will come in pre-drywall to make sure we hit our air tightness numbers to get us to our BC Energy Step Code 4 level, which is what we're targeting on this. So stay tuned. I will be back tomorrow morning as we watch the second floor walls go in, looking to have the roof on this baby by Thursday afternoon. So follow along as you see a house get put up in 1 week. Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes, back at our panelized project here in Emerald Estates in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. End of day 2. We can see that the second floor walls are now in. The first floor package, of course, is complete. We've actually got some stairs now installed. Just walking through here, we'll get a little peek through the window. There you go. Stairs just peeking in through there. And looking forward till tomorrow. First thing in the morning, the floor system will go on. You can see there's no floor up there. And we'll get the third floor walls done end of day tomorrow. And then schedule for Thursday will be to get the roof panels and some miscellaneous back framing done. So essentially we should have a completed house by end of day Thursday. So stay tuned. Special mention to NAR, who's done all the permit drawings and our BIM modeling for this project. Couldn't have done it without them. And really looking forward to the end of the week. Look for an update tomorrow.